What's up, everybody? So, I'm not gonna lie, these headers and exhaust are shit. Do not buy the pace setter long tubes with the pace setter fucking H pipe because they're pieces of shit. They don't fit right. They sound like crap. This Flowmaster exhaust sounds like crap. Spend the money on something good and don't buy this shit. Take my word for it. Nothing lined up right at all. Spent a fortune trying to customize this exhaust. It looks so fucking rigged up. It's terrible. So eventually I'll be buying correct headers and mid-pipe and all that stuff down the road. For right now it's good enough, but it sounds awful. You know, got 15 exhaust leaks on it. Relatively solid, but for the most part just sounds like crap. I want to do a poll here, but there's fucking goddamn people everywhere in this fucking shithole state. I want to see if it feels any quicker than it did last year with these fucking headers and exhausts and shit. Very, very, very disappointed. But, hey, get what you pay for, so whatever. Lesson learned. I'm going to attempt to go up this way and try and get some power out of this thing. Hopefully we can do that. Yeah, it sounds terrible. I don't like it one bit. Up the street here is where there's a higher speed limit, so I can stop and hit it a little bit, and hopefully the pigs won't come after me. If they do, I got a V6, so you know I can outrun them with that. Just kidding. Yeah, so if you're not subscribed, think about subscribing. I'd appreciate it. My new camera should be here soon. This COVID shit is pushed back shipping and everything. But better late than never. Am I right, fellas? Yeah. The vibration is awful. I mean, and it's not just the exhaust that's rattling. The headers themselves were doing that when I had to just open headers on here. So, alright. I'm going to attempt, if this fucking guy goes in front of me, to try and hit it here a little bit for you guys. I didn't see how fast I was going, trying to not get pulled over, doing, you know, it's only 45 on this road, and, you know, we did whatever that was, 70 or some shit, so there's that too. Felt a little smoother though. I mean, wouldn't say it's fast, but definitely got up and went a little bit better. Header paint smells great when it burns off. I love that smell. Tasty. Let's try and do a little bit more fucking flower power here. Try for a roll. I mean, she feels a little bit quicker. I'll be honest with you. I really wish I would have spent the money on the Mac headers and not these terribly crappy garbage long tubes from Pace Setter that don't fit right. And the reason they don't fit right is the driver's side header was like it's instead of being straight and lined up parallel with the right side passenger side header, it sticks out by about 1.5 inches to the left, so you can't line up the mid pipe on the goddamn thing. So I went out and bought an actual flex joint to put in there, which looks like shit, but it actually worked out pretty well that way. But the mid pipe light did not want to line up right at all with anything else. The exhaust was a used crappy exhaust off of the blue 2 valve I got, and some Mexicans or something fucking gob welded the fuck out of it and just ruined it. So I ended up doing the same to it. Looks terrible. Buy the Mac headers, Mac off-road pipe, and buy a brand new exhaust and be done. Just save yourself the headache I did. Buy everything brand new that's quality and not this cheap shit from China. Yeah, the vibration is the worst. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I would go with shorties. You're gonna go with headers, go with shorties. Buy a nice off-road X pipe that bolts up to the shorties and call it a day. I don't know. These long tubes suck. But that's my rant. I know this video's probably shitty as hell and sucks, but whatever. It is what it is. Like, share, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.